Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I am so happy that you're here. Today I'm going to do this look right here using, as you can tell by the title, only E.L.F Cosmetics products. And if you're new to my channel, you don't know this, but E.L.F Cosmetics is one of the inexpensive, great quality products. I love them so much. I haven't used all of their products, but the ones I have used, or most of the ones I've used, I love so much. Some of them I'm obsessed with and can't stop using. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let's try to give this video a lot of love. Share it with your friends, and if you're new, of course, subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments that you're new. At the end of this video, I always give shout outs to my new subscribers, so let me know in the comments below. I did have to go to Target to buy a few of their products because I ran out of them. But yeah, if you would like to see how or what E.L.F products I used to create this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start on my brows. I'm going to use the E.L.F Cosmetics brow pencil. I think it's called Lift brow pencil. I'm not too sure, but I'm going to fill them in. I like to brush them up first and then fill them in from right here. I use a very light hand with this one because it's pigmented and it's very creamy, so I don't need to put a lot of pressure. And you can see that the tip is not sharp, so it's kind of tricky to do like a thin straight line. And like I said, I'm doing this with a very light hand because it's very pigmented and I don't want it to be too dark. I'm going to put a little bit more right here because I'm going to blend it out with the brush and pretty much drag it to the front part right here. Now I'm going to clean them up with concealer. Oh, and that's the one thing I forgot to buy. And I knew I was going to forget something, but I didn't get the concealer I would normally use from E.L.F Cosmetics to clean up my brows or for under my eyes. So I'm going to use the LA Girl, and I apologize for that, but I do recommend that concealer. It's a little bit more lightweight than this one, but I do recommend it. I'm using this E.L.F Cosmetics concealer brush to clean the bottom of my eyebrows. I'm not going to get more concealer to clean the top of my eyebrows. I'm just going to use whatever is left on the brush because I don't want to use a lot up there. And I'm going to have to use the same concealer to prime my eyelids and get it ready for the eyeshadows. Don't mind my nail, but I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. You can see the eyeshadow comes all the way to this part of my eye, and I don't have foundation yet, so I'm going to have to put the concealer right there too, so the eyeshadows can really grab on. To set that, I'm going to apply this pressed powder from E.L.F Cosmetics with the E.L.F Cosmetics Flawless Concealer Brush and apply that all over my eyelid and on my brow bone, just anywhere I applied the concealer. You don't want to forget this part right here. The first eyeshadow that I'm going to apply is from this palette from E.L.F Cosmetics. I'm going to get the darkest one. And I love this palette because it's called Shadow Brow and Liner Palette. So you can obviously use it for shadows, your brows, or you can do like a smoky eyeliner using the dark eyeshadow. And I've done that a few times and I really love it. And of course, I'm using the E.L.F Cosmetics crease brush and I'm applying it. I'm not going to apply it all over the lid, but I'm just going to start on the corners. It's like if I'm doing a halo, but I'm not going to do that obviously. Once it's on my eyelid, and you see that it's not, once I blend it out and apply the eyeshadow on top, it's not going to be as dark, and that's okay. I don't want it to be so dark. If I did want it dark, I would just apply more eyeshadow on top of that, but I don't want it dark, so I'm not going to do that. I'm using the same brush to blend it out. It's been a while since I've used this right here. This one's a matte to metal eye primer. I'm gonna get some of the product off the applicator with my finger and apply like that on my eyelid. And I'm using my finger to blend out the edges. Just going down like this, right on my crease. The eyeshadow primer by itself looks really nice, but I want it to be a little pink, so I'm going to get this palette from E.L.F Cosmetics called Rose Gold Sunset. I'm going to get this eyeshadow with my finger and apply that over the primer I just applied. And I can tell right away that the primer grabs on, or the eyeshadow grabs onto the primer really good. I'm going to use this blending brush from E.L.F Cosmetics and blend out the shimmery eyeshadow, and I kind of want it over the brown eyeshadow that I applied on my crease just a little bit. This eyeshadow look that I'm doing is very simple and super easy to do if you're a beginner. I'm gonna use a small precision brush to apply the same shimmery pink eyeshadow on my inner corner, and you can see it's a little more pink than it looks on my eyelid, and that's because the primer and the eyeshadow together look like that, but the eyeshadow alone looks a little more pink. I'm also gonna bring it up over here just a little bit. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use this E.L.F. liquid liner in jet black, and I'm just going to do a simple liner. I'm not going to wing it out. The applicator is a little brush, which I feel like it's a lot easier to do a simple liner with that. If it's still hard for you to do an eyeliner with using a liquid eyeliner, I recommend this one right here. It's like a marker and it's pigmented, and the tip is very sharp, so it'll help you create a very thin line, or you can do a thick one. I'm going to apply these winged and bold lashes. This is the Luxe Lash Kit from E.L.F. Cosmetics. To me, these eyelashes are pretty long. If I were to just apply them like that, they will come out to like all the way over here, and that's no, you don't want to do that. So I'm gonna cut a little bit of from the outer part of the eyelash. These eyelashes are very easy to apply. They're super thin. They're so cute. Like if you don't like dramatic lashes, these would look super cute. But you can see on this eye over here, it looks a little more fuller on the end than this one over here. What I did was I got the part I cut off, and I applied it over the outer part of the eyelashes, and I loved it. It kind of makes it seem like if you have a winged eyeliner. To prime my face, I'm going to use this E.L.F. Cosmetics Prep and Hydrate Balm. It's my favorite to use when especially when my skin is dry. It's not dry today, but I still want it to feel hydrated, and this helps a lot for the makeup to really grab on. After I apply it, I always like to push it into my skin, and also so it can be even all over my skin, and then whatever's left on my fingers, I like to go over my nose just a little bit. Okay, this is another thing I bought at Target. It's $4 for a sponge. How do I open this? I am about to break this thing. I can't even break it. Oh, it has two. I'm gonna go wet it really quick. Okay, it feels a lot like bouncier, and the texture is different. Okay, I ran out of my E.L.F. foundation, and it's actually been a while since I've used this one. I used to apply this one all the time, and I'm just reading it, and it says with bohi. I don't know how to pronounce that. Berry. I have no idea what that is, but let me just apply it. Anytime now. I just know it's gonna come out fast. Just don't want to get on my sweater. Okay, I hear it. There you go. Oh! Ugh. And I did not want it on my sweater. Look at that. Oh god, okay. Is that the bohi berry thing? Is that why it's so liquidy? Look at that. I've never tried a foundation this liquidy. And the shade seems too light for me. And this is a fair light. Oh, I got the wrong one. No. I can't do this. I got the wrong shade. Obviously, this is too white. I got fair light. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna have to go with a different foundation, and I hate doing this, but alright, I'm gonna use the CoverGirl. I love this foundation. Well, I wasn't planning on using it. Alright, I'm just gonna try to forget about this. This is already a disappointment. I'm not using everything but foundation from E.L.F. Cosmetics. But I'm just gonna try to forget about it. Anyways, if you guys don't follow me on... What is up with this hair right here? If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you don't know that I have a new car. It's my first car ever. My husband got it for me 2 days ago. And it's... Every time I see it, I can't believe that it's mine. Because it's this is a huge thing for me. Oh, I'm sure it's a huge thing for everyone that gets a new car. But it's my first car ever. I never had a car of my own. I was about to get the wrong foundation. I got the Charger SRT Scat Pack, and I love it. I needed a car because every time I would want to go to the store or something, my sister doesn't live here with me anymore, so I would have to either wait till she comes so we can go to the store, or I would have to wait till my husband gets from work so we can go together. But I finally have a car, and it's just, I'm just so happy. Okay, that's enough blending. I'm gonna get this concealer brush that I used earlier and get some of the first concealer in this complete coverage concealer palette and just get a little bit and put that under my eyes. The loose powder is another product I had to buy because I ran out of it. So, oh my god. I'm gonna put it in this cap. And I'm going to apply that under my eyes. I'm going to take whatever's left on the sponge and put it on the, or just all over my nose. I'm going to apply the same powder that I used earlier with the E.L.F. Cosmetics complexion brush and apply this all over my face. I bought this E.L.F. blush and contour kit and then I got home and realized I already have it. I'm using the E.L.F. Cosmetics highlighting brush to apply the bronzer everywhere I normally apply it. There's one brush that I thought I still had but I don't have it anymore. That's the blush brush that, if you know me, you know I use that for almost everything. Well, no, just bronzer, blush, to set my under eyes. That's it. But that brush works really good and I don't have it anymore and I forgot to buy it. I'm actually going to grab the blush from this palette too. I was going to use another one, but I'll just use this one. It looks so pretty. Nice. So I just noticed that I put a lot of the blush and I don't want it to be too pink. So if that ever happens to you, just get a little bit of the powder, the pressed powder that you applied and put it over that. That helps to remove some of the blush. I'm going to use the fan brush and get some of this E.L.F. Cosmetics highlighting blush. This one's Blush Gems. And if sometimes it happens to me with these highlighters that I don't get any of the products. So all I do is just scrape some off and then so it can land on the cap right here. And then just get some from there. It'll be just the same as a loose pigment or loose highlighter. It just glows so pretty. Look at that. And last but not least, I'm going to apply this lip lacquer from E.L.F. Cosmetics. It's very glossy, very pigmented, comfortable on the lips, and I feel like it looks so cute with the eyeshadow. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this look. Would you recreate it? Oh my god, that hair does not want to stay put. If you are new to my channel, let me know in the comments below and I'd be more than happy to give you a shout out in my next English video because I do upload in English and in Spanish. And today's shout out goes to, let me get it, I have it right here, hold on. It goes to Alex Mimi 87. She actually also has her own YouTube channel. She uploads makeup tutorials. If you guys would love to check her out, she just started her channel, or restarted her channel. Yeah, so go ahead and check her out, subscribe to her channel, and just show her a lot of love. And thank you guys for your love and support. It means so much to me. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you are new, subscribe, and like this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!